Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today another video about how to use your Shaper Origin. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video about a table, a LED table. And in this video I showed how to trace the table and then put the LED inside the hole that this cookie slab had. And somebody asked, hey, how do you do that? How do you trace this shape? How do you take the picture so this turns out well? And so this is a little video showing you how to do that. This is about taking a top-down photo of an object, then tracing it on your computer so you can use it on the Shaper. And I will do this using this shape here. This is a cookie slab, chestnut. I'll take a picture of that and then trace it within the computer so you can use it. Let me show you how to do that. To make a good top-down shot, you need a stepladder, a piece of wood and your smartphone. You want to ensure that you mount the smartphone in a completely horizontal way so you can take a good shot of the object that you want to trace. If it's not horizontal, it'll get a skewed shape, and that's not what you want. I will show you how to trace the image using the software Inkscape. Inkscape you can download for free, and so that might be the cheapest way for you to do it. You import the picture into Inkscape and make sure to zoom in to the object you want to trace. Then you select the draw freehand lines and you ensure that the smoothing is set to about 5. You will have to experiment a little bit depending on what you need. So obviously you need a little bit of patience and you need to make sure you don't screw up the line like I did here. So if that happens, just delete everything and start again. Be patient when you do this, and if you miss a couple of the spots, that's not a big deal. You can correct that afterwards. Once you finish and you reach your starting point, it will create one shape. Once you finish your shape, you can go to Edit Paths by Nodes and zoom into your paths and then start editing and fine-tuning everything. You can do that using the different dots you have there to change the shape, the curve, or the location of the different dots. That will take you some time depending how precise you want your shape to be. So that was it, very easy to do. You don't need to buy expensive gear. You can do it with your smartphone, with your computer, and with a couple of tools you usually have laying around in your shop. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and see you around.